In the beginning it was like trying to do something. We have no idea what we do, and in the end we got a very good product. We really were able to make it work.
This couple of days has been very productive and very intense. I learned a lot of new things, and it has been very, very interesting to know in more detail about Umati and how to integrate it in Brownfield machines.
We had 2 really cool days at Studer. The teams were a lot of fun, and I think we achieved our goals. It was great to do something else than in the everyday life.